Hello everyone, this is Crescent Novaspec here. This is different from what I've usually been doing with Jeff Box unboxing videos. In the spirit of Christmas, I have a lot of stuff I'm going to be doing over the break once I get off from work next week, so I wanted to go ahead and just open up my Jeff Box right now and show you guys. Just doing something a little different from what I usually do, so don't expect this to be a constant thing. No skits, no nothing this week, just a little bit of drinking, a little bit of Jeff Box, a little bit of fun. You know the drill. I'll still be editing the video and posting the prices and everything, but you know what? Let's get to this. Let's get straight to this unboxing. Alright, I see a Wii game. Already fucking up. I was just like, let's just get straight into this thing. No filter. Always gotta start out with the promotional Jeff Box pamphlet. And y'all are getting my raw voice today. Oh god no, you bought a third Jeff Box. In the tune of Living on a Prayer, you gotta sing it to unlock the magic of Jeff Box. She says you got a lot of hold on, what is... She says you've got a hold onto your Jeff Box. You got a lot of games, I hope you like them a lot. You're my favorite, and that's a lot of love. Now take a shot, fuck. Oh, you're in there. Whoa, drinking on air. Take a shot, you won't throw up, I swear. Whoa, it's the Jeff Box flair. Shit. I completely forgot what Living on a Prayer sounds like. So I probably botched that. Use hashtag JeffBox and tag at JeffStop on Twitter and Instagram for your chance to receive a bonus game next month. Happy holidays. Enjoy the gift charm by Toaster Kiwi. Ooh, we got a Toaster Kiwi charm. Oh shit. Your gamer motivational quote of the month. Ah. Jeff, come on. More pics in 2021. Absolutely, Jeff, come on. Come on. I had the picture of you on my back, dude. Come on. Bro, come on, Jeff. Man, I look so sad. That's me getting a Jeff Box in that picture. That's me getting a fucking Jeff Box. Not no one wants to come. Oh my goodness, Jeff, come on. I know you had, and I already saw what the first game was, and I'm already fucking happy, man. Bruh, WarioWare Smooth Moves. Come on, this is. I've been trying to fill out my Wii collection, and this one has always been a favorite of mine. I've never owned this game, but I always rented it a lot whenever I had a Wii, and there was like the first games were coming out. This one, oh, I love this game to death. Oh my goodness. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. What else we got? Oh, I'm gonna save these two for last. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Yu-Gi-Oh! Legacy of the Duelist. Okay. I'm cool with this. I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh! Back in the day. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just tell y'all all my sad Yu-Gi-Oh! Story. TLDR. Used to play a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh! Had so many cards. Had like a treasure chest full of cards. At the same time, I also had a very conservative Christian friend who convinced me that Yu-Gi-Oh! Was of the devil. And my dumb ass was like... He convinced me of this concept that if you give up stuff in the name of Jesus, you have a higher chance of going to heaven. So my dumb, like, susceptible ass at like 6 or 7 years old was like, I want to go to heaven. So one day I took all of my Yu-Gi-Oh cards and just ripped them all up to go to heaven. But in hindsight, I think that was a good thing, or else I would have become a card game player later on in life. So yeah, we're just gonna move on and Command & Conquer for the N64. Good game. Don't know nothing about it, but I'm definitely take more games to fill out my N64 collection. Jeff looking out for me. And last one we got, Fighters Destiny 2. Ooh, I actually am really curious about this one. I've seen a lot of stuff about this one. I like the black cartridge. Very shiny. I love it. Awesome. Alright, and I think we got, that's one more thing. We got the Jeff Box promotional card as always. And then last thing we have is, ooh, baby. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, okay, I was expecting the Ridley one, but I will take, what do we got? we got Sheik and Zelda. Let me open this up and show you guys. Let me show you guys. Ooh, baby. Toaster Kiwi Illustrator at Toaster Kiwi. So you guys can get your own personalized pin or charm from them. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Got some Sailor Moon vibes going on. I love it. But yeah, that is the end of this month's Jeff box. I'll be posting the total price down below, as well as the price for each individual game. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to another Jeff box unboxing. I know this one was kind of short and sweet and not as planned out or elaborate as my last unboxing videos, but I promise I'll be coming back with y'all for more stuff next year. And Jeff, we definitely get more pictures, because I know I got better pictures than this.